Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Kaggle datasets access for Python ETL beginner guide. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Kaggle website. Log into your Kaggle account with your credentials. Once logged in, go to the dataset you want to access. On the dataset page, click the download button to fetch the dataset. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Next, open your Python IDE or text editor. Create a new Python script for your ETL process. Import the necessary libraries at the beginning of your script. Those libraries typically include pandas for data manipulation and NumPy for numerical operations. If you haven't installed these libraries yet, you can do so using pip. In your terminal or command prompt, type pip install pandas numpy. Once the libraries are imported, specify the location of your downloaded dataset file in the script. Use pandas to read the dataset file by using the function pd.read_csv, or another appropriate function based on your file type. Confirm that the data has been loaded correctly by viewing the first few rows with print data.head. Now that you have access to the dataset, you can start your ETL process, extract, transform, and load. Begin with the extraction phase by manipulating the data frame as needed for your analysis. Next, move on to transformation, which may include cleaning data, handling missing values, or converting data types. Finally, load the transformed data into your desired destination, such as a database or a new CSV file. Make sure to handle any exceptions in your code to manage potential errors gracefully. Once your script runs successfully, you can analyze the results. Remember to save your script as you make changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.